We have set aside 90 million shillings in our disaster fund. We have undertaken comprehensive measures to ensure that our county is ready and equipped to the crisis. Individuals have been a variety of critical emergency response roles. We have designed a well-thought-out plan on handling challenges that may be posed by the heavy rains. This approach encompasses of the key phases of prediction, preparation, response, recovery, and reconstruction. Prediction. The first step in this journey is prediction. We have engaged experts, scientists, and meteorologists to provide us with accurate forecasts and early warnings. Their knowledge and expertise has guided us in understanding the potential risks and impacts of the El Nino in our county.
So it can range to what time?
Really? 7 tons?
Yes.
So it is able to raise somebody.
Kaunti-ini